What's up, guys? So I made a video showing this bear. This is my second video on what not to do when you see a bear. Do you see those two people standing there? They're probably 20 feet from this bear. All right, there's a lot of New Yorkers and New Jersey people here. Clearly there's bear in New York and New Jersey as well, and I'm not going to make an assumption as to where they live, but there's tons of visitors that don't normally see black bear, and it's probably not a good idea to just be standing 20 feet away. Now there's a really good chance nothing's going to happen, but you just don't know. So why would you take that chance? That guy is like 10 feet from the bear, standing behind the car. Just stand there. You can see his hands are empty. There's no way of defending himself just in case something happens. Just kind of enjoying the view. And there's his friend or family member just kind of watching. I mean, it reminds me of the stories of people go to Yellowstone and get out to take pictures of the grizzlies and then just get mauled to death. Now, black bear is not likely to hurt you unless it was, feeling threatened or something. Right now, it's clearly just looking for food in the yard. In fact, it just laid down. Oh, now there's a lady there. It's just interesting to me to see people, you're not at the zoo. This is a wild animal. Anything can happen, and it will happen a lot faster than you can ever imagine. Now, I'm filming this video inside the comfort of the car. Alright, so if for some reason this bear wants to take off or something, I can get out of here quickly, safely. Those people, not so much. Right now, the bear is just kind of hot, sitting in the shade by the tree. It's cool, it's beautiful, but it's kind of a reminder, when you see nature like this, respect it. Because you just don't know what's going to happen. Alright, so we're back. Different house up the road. The bear is eating out of a bird feeder, which is what they do. And you can see there's a dog, two dogs, right at the door over there. They were scratching, trying to protect their oh, here we go. Look at this guy. Let's see how this goes. Alright, well, clearly he lives there. I was going to say, what is he going to do? But yeah, this is what happens, bird feeders. There we go. Alright. Show's over. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good one. Take care.